All right, guys, so we are reviewing international Etsy stores, looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and what they could do to really increase their sales. So right here, we're looking at ArkatzStore. Pokemon figures made in France. Batita? 1,300 sales. Congratulations. Very good work. Great star seller reviews. Good header with, and the header shows the types of things inside your store and examples of them all. Good work. That's the thing you want to do. You want to have a nice header up there. Nice number of products. Wow, 176. Good work. How long have you been around? Now I'm curious. How long? 1,300 sales. How long have you been on the platform? You might want to build out your about page. That does help you. But okay, let's look at items. What do we got? Pokemon stands, controller stands. Good pricing. I like this pricing. This is what you want. Multicolored parts. Multicolored parts can make your life a little hairier, but that's fine. Okay, so a lot of Pokemon related things. Pokemon stuff can be dangerous if you don't get the licenses for them. So just FYI on that. Etsy's been cracking down on that a bunch. But okay, multicolored items. Really good thumbnails. Very good thumbnails. Very good demonstrations. You have a hand in there. I'm going to click on this one because I just like this. Videos. Good photos. Really nice photos. Let's get those photos up where everybody else can see them. Yeah. Full circle. Okay. Well, it's not in context. There it is in context. There's some size reference of what this thing is and how big it is. Because all these, I don't know if it's 3 feet tall or 2 inches tall. So this helps bring that home. You might also want to put it next to a coffee mug. But the hand really brings it home. I get, okay, it's this big. Perfect. Good number of views. I'll bet you're running ads on this, which is the thing to do. Classic color. Custom color. Okay, you're doing custom. I wouldn't recommend custom most of the time. Good pricing. Oh, good pricing. Good deal. This is great. The title of it. All good. You don't need to put the colors inside the title. That's kind of a waste of SEO terms because people can find colors once they find the options, when they click on it, but it's generally not the decision maker. More of these types of words are what you want to put into titles. These words right here. That's what you want. The description itself, good description, very good description, excellent description. You've got dimensions inside of it. You've got SEO terms and stuff down here. You don't really need to harp on 3D printed. It is what it is, and you show what it is right there, so it's all fair. That all looks good. Okay, let's see. Your custom color, shipping. You're shipping internationally. That can be tough. I'm in the United States, so you're shipping in the United States. Okay. That'd be great if you get rid of it. There is a plugin on Slant 3D where you can match up a file with a listing, and then whenever somebody orders that listing, that item prints and ships inside the United States to them, and you get access to a print farm. So anytime an order comes through, Slant 3D will print the item and ship the item directly to the customer. But it's only for single color items. These type of multicolor items wouldn't work for it, but it would eliminate the cost of shipping and eliminate the time of shipping for international customers. So you would get access to the whole US market by flipping a switch, basically. So that's something to consider, but for these multicolored items, that's not really viable. You have to break it into an assembly, have each one of the different pieces printed separately, and then have the customer assemble it. And that's not a great experience, so I don't really recommend that. But let's see here. Are there any other single color options? Nope, it's all multicolor stuff. But these are great products. There is a little bit of risk with IP stuff. So long as you got the licensing for that, that's fine. That one's got a weird thumb. Oh, you've watermarked it. Oh, good for you. You should watermark your stuff. That's not a bad idea. That's good thumbnail design as well. The files themselves. Oh, I can't tell if that's a print or a render. That looks like a render to me. I generally don't recommend that because a single render also doesn't get any search because you have to have multiple photos on an item for Etsy to really push it around. But overall, reviews are good. Store layout is good. You could the framing of them is good. Description of them is good. You can improve titles a little bit, and that'll give you more sales. Make sure you're eligible for. Oh, okay. Items are eligible for sales for bulk orders. There's that. You might put them on sale. Putting them on sale notifies customers that it's on sale. So you might do like a small sale, like 5%, and then everybody gets a notification, and then everybody who's followed you will be like, oh yeah, I remember that item. I want to buy it now, and I didn't want to buy it 3 months ago. So sales are a good notification tactic. But beyond that, very good store. Good job, man.